See the slide?
Yeah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So we will continue our study of fragments, and the first fragment we are studying is mudaf ilay. So the plan for today is to study another variation of mudaf ilay, and inshallah I will try to conclude this study today of mudaf ilay, and inshallah from tomorrow we will start a new fragment. So that's what the plan is. So mudaf ilay, as you know, it's composed of normally two words, two isms. First one is called mudaf, the second one is called mudaf ilay. Mudaf is always light, it does not accept al, and mudaf ilay is in jar status. So mudaf ilay have to meet three conditions in total. Two of them are for mudaf, one is for mudaf ilay. All right, but today we are going to learn about complex mudaf ilay. Sometimes mudaf ilay becomes a little complex. For example, I'm showing you a fragment here. This is not a sentence, it is a fragment. Now you see the saying of the messenger of Muslims. It's a long fragment. So if we try to break it down into parts, we can do this. If you look at this part, which is in this box now, it says, the saying of the messenger. Saying of the messenger. This is like regular mudaf ilay. We already know about this. So the word before of is mudaf. So the saying is mudaf, and the word after of is mudaf ilay. So the messenger is mudaf ilay. So in this box, we have a mudaf ilay. The first part, which is before of, is mudaf, and the part after of is mudaf ilay. So the saying is mudaf, the messenger is mudaf ilay. All right. But there is another part. And if you look at that now, the messenger of Muslims, this is another mudaf ilay that we already know. The messenger of Muslims. So in over here, the messenger is mudaf and Muslims is mudaf ilay. All right. So that is what is called complex mudaf ilay. All right. So I'm going to use someone or get the help of someone to study this topic, inshallah. Okay, Ayan, can I ask for your help? All right. So you stay with me for a little bit, huh? Inshallah.
Okay.
Okay, go back. The saying of the messenger. I separated this from the phrase. What is mudaf here and what is mudaf ilay?
The saying is mudaf and the messenger is mudaf ilay.
Okay, all right. How about the next fragment, which is in this blue box now? What is mudaf? What is mudaf ilay?
Okay, the messenger is in the blue box. The messenger is mudaf and Muslims is mudaf ilay.
All right. So in the middle, the messenger, which is in both boxes, by the way, which is shared by the boxes. What is its relation with the word saying? The saying. It is mudaf ilay of it. Do you agree? The messenger is mudaf ilay for the saying, correct?
Yes.
But
yes,
it also is
correct.
mudaf for the next word, is it not?
Yes.
Yes.
It is.
Yeah. So the messenger, the word messenger is mudaf ilay and mudaf at the same time. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
All right, let's try to translate it now. Saying, the word for saying is qawlun. The word for
Mm-hmm.
messenger is rasulun. And the word for Muslims is muslimuna. All right, stay with me, Ayan. So I'm just
Mm-hmm.
writing these words again with a space in the between them. Now qawlun is a mudaf and rasulun is mudaf ilay. Are you with me so far?
Yes.
Yeah. So qawlun is mudaf, the messenger, which means rasulun, is mudaf ilay. But at the same time, rasul is mudaf for the next word, which is muslimuna, and muslimuna is mudaf ilay. Are you okay so far?
Yes.
So qawlun is mudaf, or we have to make it mudaf actually. It's not mudaf right now. We have to
Mm-hmm.
make qawlun mudaf, rasulun, we have to make it mudaf ilayhi, but we have to make it mudaf as well for the next word, and we have to make muslimuna mudaf ilayhi. All right.
Mm-hmm.
So make qawlun mudaf. Make the necessary changes so
Uh,
it becomes mudaf.
that would be I would remove the noon sound at the end. That would be a
Okay.
qawlu.
Qawlu. All right. Qawlu. Now rasulun,
And
how many conditions it has to meet now? It is mudaf
it has
ilayhi and
to
mudaf
be
at the same time. Go ahead.
mm, so for mudaf part I'll change it to Rasulu, and for mudaf ilay uh I would change it to a majroor
Mhm.
jar status. So uh
What will be the word? What will be the final
oh,
word? So you
I'm
first make
pretty
it mudaf
good.
ilay, okay?
This
First
is
make it mudaf ilay. So it will be
okay.
qawlu rasulin. Huh? And then change it to mudaf for the next one. Make rasulin mudaf.
Uh Qawlu Rasuli.
Rasuli. Right. Qawlu rasuli. And make muslimuna mudaf ilay.
Muslimina.
Muslimina. So qawlu rasuli muslimina means saying of a messenger of Muslims. I hope it was easy enough. Brother Ahmad, would you
Assalamu
join me? Okay, walaikum salam. So was it clear enough, brother Umar? Oh, sorry, brother
alaikum.
Ahmad?
Yes, it's clear. Absolutely.
It's clear.
Yes.
So how many conditions uh, the first word has to meet to become mudaf? How many?
Uh, it should be light and it does not take al. Mudaf.
How many changes we have to make in Rasul? How many conditions Rasul have to
Yeah,
meet
for
here?
Mudaf three conditions. For for Mudaf it should be majroor, and for being a Mudaf, it should be light and it should not take al.
And how many conditions Muslimuna have to meet?
Just one
Just one.
majroor.
Yeah. So Qawlu has to be light,
Yes.
cannot take out. But Rasulu, because it is mudaf ilay for Qawlu and mudaf for Muslimuna, it has to meet three conditions at the same time. No al, has to be light, and has to be in jar status as well. And Muslimina is mudaf ilayhi, so it will be in jar status. Okay, but you see, brother Ahmad,
Yes.
the the word was a little different. The fragment was a little different. The fragment was the saying of the messenger of Muslims. It was the saying, the saying. This fragment we have made, it means a saying. Just make a minor small change so I could use the saying of the messenger. What change? How you will change that? You have to add al somewhere.
Al Muslimin.
Can I add al to Rasuli?
No, because it is muzaf, so it cannot take al. So al Muslimina.
Yeah, the only place where I can add al is over here. Qawlu cannot take al. Rasuli cannot take al. So only Muslimina will take al. And now it will be Qawlu Rasulil Muslimina. Now it means the saying of the messenger of the Muslims.
Yeah.
When mudaf ilayhi is proper, mudaf is also proper. Don't forget this. Whenever mudaf ilayhi is proper, mudaf is also proper. And that will make Rasuli proper, and Rasuli is proper, so Qawlu is also proper as well. So this is the concept of complex mudaf ilayh. Any confusions?
I have a question, Brother Shams.
Mm-hmm.
The word the is not with Muslims, but we are putting al with Muslims, so with Muslimina.
Mm-hmm.
So, how is it implied that the word the is with the two mudafs, not with? I mean, why? My question is, why is it not the saying of the messenger of the Muslims?
Yeah, we can say that too.
Okay.
Yeah, we can add that as well. We can say these. I thought maybe there be too many das here, so I
Okay.
just removed one.
Okay.
But you can add the over here as well. The saying of the messenger of the Muslims. That will be fine.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. We can do another example just so we are comfortable with it. Another fragment. And I will ask Anusha, would you mind helping me here?
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam, Anusha. Were you comfortable with what we have done so far?
Yeah, I'm pretty comfortable.
Yeah. And you see over here, I have written the owner of the day of judgment.
Yeah.
So it's a long fragment. So I'm like before, I'm going to make it, I divide it into two parts. So this is like a regular mudaf ilayh, right? The owner of the day.
Yeah.
So what is mudaf here and what is mudaf ilayh?
So mudaf here, the mudaf here is the owner, and the day is mudaf ilayh.
All right, good. Now in the blue box is another mudaf ilayh. So what is mudaf here and mudaf ilayh?
The day is mudaf, and judgment is mudaf ilayh.
So the word day is common between the two boxes here, right?
Yeah.
So the day is mudaf ilayhi, as you said, for the first part, the owner, and it is mudaf for the second part. So the word the day is mudaf ilayhi and mudaf at the same time. Do you agree?
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, okay. So now we are going to translate this into Arabic, inshallah. So I'm just writing the three words. Owner is malikun, day is yawmun, and judgment is dinun. I'm just going to write them again in a row. And now we need to make necessary changes in these words. So malikun becomes mudaf, yawmun becomes mudaf ilayhi and mudaf at the same time, and dinun becomes mudaf ilayhi. Now your task is to make those necessary changes. Go ahead, Anusha.
Okay, so the first necessary change is for the first mudaf, which is malikun. So we need to make malikun light, which is going to be maliku. And yawmun is both mudaf ilayh, and both mudaf and mudaf ilayh and mudaf. So yawmun has to be light, yawmu, and has to have no l, and it has to be jar. So yawmi.
Perfect. Wonderful. How about the last word?
Last word dinun, it has to be jar.
Okay.
Dini.
Sorry. Say it again.
Huh?
Say it again, please. Make it.
The nun is mudaf ilayh, so it has to be jar.
And the word will be
Like
dinin.
dinin.
Dinin. Maliki yawmi dinin.
Din.
And it means an owner of a day of judgment. An owner of the day of judgment. But you see, the original fragment was the owner of the day of judgment. So I have to add al somewhere. Which word can accept al?
Dinin.
Why yomi cannot take al? Why?
Because it's both mudaf and mudaf ilayh.
Because of being mudaf, it cannot take al, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So we will add al to dinin. So it will become maliku yawmid
Din.
dini.
Din.
Yeah, because the tanween will be replaced by a single haraka, like with the single kasra, because of al. Al doesn't like tanween. It changes the tanween to a single haraka, like not double anymore. So maliku yawmiddini, the owner of the day of judgment. So if mudaf ilayh is proper, it will make this yawmi proper, and this yawmi is mudaf ilayh for maliku, so this maliku is proper as well. So the whole fragment becomes proper noun. Good, good. Thank you, Anusha. You did a good job. So we continue. Two hands of the father of Lahab. This is a little complex, So, Brother Umar Farooq, can I ask for your help?
Yes, please.
All right, good. So, the two hands of the father of Lahab. All right. So similar to the previous examples, do you agree this is a mudaf ilayh in the red box?
Yes.
What is mudaf? What is mudaf ilayh?
Mudaf is two hands, and mudaf alayh is the father of the father.
The father is mudaf ilayh.
Mudaf alayh. Yeah.
In the blue box, the father of Lahab, what is mudaf? What is mudaf ilayh?
Of Lahab. Mudaf alayh is of Lahab, and the father is mudaf alayh.
The father is mudaf. The father is mudaf, and Lahab is mudaf ilayh. Correct?
Mudaf alayh. Yeah.
All right. Okay. Two hands is yadani. Father means abun, and Lahabun is Lahab. That's a name.
Okay.
So I'm going to write these words again. Yadani is a mudaf, as you said. Abun is a mudaf ilay, but a mudaf as well at the same time. And Lahabun is mudaf ilay. Okay. Now we have to make necessary changes to make Yadani mudaf, Abun mudaf ilay, and mudaf at the same time, and Lahabun mudaf ilay. Go ahead.
Mudaf to make it like a no sound, so
Will be
it will yada mudaf yadani, so
remove the noon.
noon,
So
so
what will be the
yada yadi
yada?
Yada.
Okay. Abun, make it mudaf ilay. and then also
Bin.
mudaf at the same time.
Abu مضاف إلي أبي
Abi, abi, bin or abi. But there's a
أبي.
problem here, brother. There's a problem. This is a little complex here.
Okay.
When the word abun is used as a mudaf. Now remember, listen carefully. When the word abun is used as a mudaf, it will be either abu or aba or abi. This is a special word. There are
Okay.
5 words like this. When
Okay.
abun is used as a mudaf, it will be either in abu, it will be either abu or aba or abi. When
Okay.
it is rafa, then it is abu.
Hmm.
When it is nasab, it is aba. When
Hmm.
it is jar, it is
It's
abi.
أبي.
So now you want to use abun as a mudaf. Which one you will use?
Abu.
Abu,
Abu.
aba or abi?
Abu.
Said abu.
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's a nasab status, rafa status, and it's a
But
mudaf.
this
So
is
it's
also mudaf ilayhi as well, right? What is
yeah.
the status of mudaf ilayhi?
So then it's abi
Abi, yeah,
because of jar status. So
jar status. Yada abi. And make changes to lahab.
laha bin. Laha bin.
Lahabin, yeah. Yada abi lahabin. So what does it
Yada,
mean? Two
the
hands
hands
of
of two hands of the father of Lahab.
father of Lahab. Or you can say 2 hands of Abu Lahab. Abu Lahab was a name, so we can say that too. Good, good. So this was a little complex. So there are 5 words like this, abun. And when
Abu.
they are used as mudaf, they will be either, there is an additional word, letter with them, waw,
Okay.
alif, or ya.
Alif, yeah.
So abu, aba, or abi.
Okay.
They cannot be simply abu, aba, abi. No, they take an
Mm.
additional letter with them. It depends what status they are in. And according to the status, they will be in this shape. And over here, because abun was used as a mudaf, but it has to be in jar status because it is used as mudaf
Mudaf
ilayhi as
alayh,
well.
yeah.
So
So
that
that's
is why
why
abi is used.
Abi is used. Yeah.
Make sense, brother Umar Farooq?
Yes, of course.
All right, good. So we still have about 3-4 minutes, so we can do one more, inshallah. Okay, Hiba,
Sure.
can I request you?
Shabazz bhai, Dr.
Yes.
Sultan.
Brother Sultan, you have a question?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm saying this. I want to try for this one, if possible.
Want to try it?
Yeah, the same one, but over there,
You want to try this one, the one on the
Yeah.
screen now?
yes,
Okay,
yes, yes.
go ahead. So I will do the same. I will ask you the same questions. The scholar of sons. What is mudaf and what is mudaf ilayhi here?
Scholar is a mudaf and son is mudaf ilayh here.
What is in the blue box?
Now the blue box, the son is mudaf ilayh. We will make the mudaf ilayh, and Israel is mudaf, and Israel will be mudaf ilayh.
You are saying sons is mudaf and Israel is mudaf ilayh, correct?
Mudaf ilayh. Yeah.
Okay. So the word sons is mudaf ilayh and mudaf at the same time. Do you agree?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to write the 3 words: scholars, ulama, banuna, sons, Israelu is Israel, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to write them again.
Yeah.
So ulama is mudaf. Just 1
is
second. Yeah. Banuna is mudaf ilayhi and mudaf at the same time. And Israelu is mudaf ilayhi. Okay, now tell me what I need to do here.
The ulama, that one we will change to the ulama-i.
Ulama-i.
Ulamai.
Why
In-
ulama'i?
Sometimes we want to put the light, no? This is a ulama.
Is it not already light?
It is okay. This is already light. Ulama. This is light.
It's already light. There is no al with
Yeah.
it.
Okay, this is already light.
It is light because it is partly flexible word, if you remember.
Flexible.
Yeah, our partly flexible words are always light. So it is already light.
It is already
Does
light.
not have al with it. So do we need to make any changes in it or no?
No, it will not. No change.
It is already ready to be a mudaf.
Yes.
It is already ready. Okay.
Ulama. And Banun is a mudaf ilay. But we went for the next thing. We will Banuni. We will make the jar status.
Noon is not a word.
Banun.
No, no. Banuna
Ban-
is like
Banun.
Muslimuna.
Muslim. That was Banun.
Banuna, Banina, Banina. Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. Okay. Rafa, Nasab, Jar.
Banina.
Ulamau, Banina.
Ulama.
Okay.
Ulama.
Do you need to make any more changes or this is it?
This is it. No. This one.
No, no, no. You need to make another change, brother.
Ulama. Bani. It will be make the jar status.
It's already in jar
Banini.
status now. Banina is jar status. What additional
jar
change
status.
you need to make?
Baninu.
No, 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 no,
Banuna.
no,
Ban.
no. I have to ask somebody else. You have to pay attention, brother Sultan. It will be easy, inshallah.
Inshallah.
It will be inshallah easy. I asked brother Hamad.
So we will have to remove actually the noon sound to make it light.
Why?
So that will be Banu. And then because it is a mudaf as well, so we have to make it majroor too. So it will be Bani.
So to make it mudaf ilayhi for ulama, you can make it banina, right? But to make it mudaf now, you have to make it light.
Yeah.
So you have to remove this noon. So brother Sultan, are you listening?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this noon has to go because banuna, its jar form is banina. It's not banuni. Banuni is not a word. Banuna, banina, banina. Rafa, nasab, and jar. So banuna, when we change it to mudaf ilayhi, it will be banina. Scholars
Banina.
of sons. And now we have to make it mudaf, so we have to make it light as well. It is already in jar status now. And to make it light, we have to remove the noon sound.
Banu.
So it will become bani, ulama'u bani. Go ahead, brother Hamad.
Okay, so and then the next word is Israelu. So we have to make it majroor, and I believe it is a party flexible, so it will be Israela. So Bani Israela.
What's the translation?
Scholars of Bani Israel are children of Israel, are sons of Israel.
But you see, Israela is a proper noun, which makes Bani proper. And when Bani is proper, ulama is proper. So I can add a da here without making any change. The scholars of the sons of Israel. Very good. So that's all I wanted to teach in today's session. I hope it wasn't too difficult, but if you have any issues, you can stay after the class and ask the questions. So I will conclude our session of today here, and I will let Brother Abdul Khalik conclude it officially, inshallah.